Today we're testing out gear. Not any of this gear though, we're testing this out. So this is a filter that goes into the front of a couple of my lenses, and it's called a Pro Mist filter. So a problem people sometimes have with footage shot on digital cameras is that it looks too sharp, it's too clean, so it has no character, unlike stuff shot on film. So what this Pro Mist filter does is it softens the image slightly, and it softens the light as well. So it removes blemishes on skin so you can't see the pores anymore. And then it also gives the light this kind of soft, less contrasty look, so that everything appears a little bit more dreamy. But the thing is, I tend to like quite a contrasty look with my colours, so I don't know if it's going to work for me. So I'm going to switch over to it now. So I don't know if you'll be able to tell the difference straight away. I don't know if this is going to look softer, I can't really see on screen. But the rest of the story is just going to be before and after shots where I'm testing this out. Jess just got a new game called Overcooked that we've been playing together, and it's really intense. It's like a multitasking game where you've got to be cooking things up. It's very stressful, but we're doing pretty well.
Team.
We are a good team.
We get a little system going.
I think we're a better team in the game than we are in real life.
Probably.